everyone, welcome to our class. My name is Liang Yuanyuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our topic is family. This one is very important in your daily life if you're living in China and if you have relatives that is Chinese. Anyway, let's start it. 家庭家庭家庭 which has a short expression 家家家 or 家庭 both have a meaning of family. First, this is photo of the whole family. We call it 全家福. 全家福. I think people around the world have the tradition of taking a 全家福. 全means whole, all. 家 family. 福 literally means happiness. 全家福全家福 And then 成员 members 成员 members 成员 成成 ü an 元 i u an 元成员 And then grandpa 爷爷 or 祖父 both okay. 爷爷祖父爷爷祖父 Grandma 奶奶祖母奶奶祖母姥爷外公 This is your grandpa, but it's your mom's dad. 姥爷外公姥爷外公 And this one, 姥姥外婆 your mom's mom. 姥姥外婆 Most of the time, I use this one. 外婆外公爷爷奶奶 And then parents 父母父母父母父 means father 母 means mom So 父母 father and mom is your parents Okay, dad 爸爸 It's like papa but we call it 爸爸 And father 父亲 more, which is more official 父亲爸爸父亲 And then son 儿子 We have learned this before 儿子儿子 Spouse 爱人 I means love So the one that you love is your spouse 爱人 Or 配偶配偶 First turn 配偶 Third turn 配偶 I think the first one is easier to pronounce So 爱人爱人爱人 And mom mama mama Remember the second one is light tone Mama not mama It's mama mama And mother like 父亲 It's 母亲母亲母亲女儿 daughter 女儿女儿女儿 We have learned this too 女儿 And then father-in-law 丈人 or 岳父 This one is used more often 丈人 or 岳父岳父 And mother-in-law 丈母娘丈母娘 or 岳母岳母岳母丈母娘岳母 after me. And father-in-law, 公公公公公公 This is your husband's father. 公公 And mother-in-law, husband's mother, 婆婆婆婆婆婆 And then aunt is your father's sister. We call it 姑姑 G U 姑姑姑姑姑 And aunt, 姨妈姨妈 Mother's sister, 姨妈 Father's younger brother, 叔叔叔叔叔叔 Father's older brother, 伯伯伯伯伯伯 But in modern China, this is not take that serious that you can call your mother's younger brother 叔叔. It's okay. In older time, I think the order is seen more important, but nowadays, like it's exactly okay if you call your father's sister 姨妈 and if you call your father's older brother 舅舅, both okay. And uncle, father's older brother 伯伯 then mother's brother 舅舅舅舅舅舅舅舅 cousin, the child of your uncle or aunt is 堂兄弟姐妹堂兄堂弟堂姐堂妹兄 is older brother, 弟 is younger brother, 姐 older sister, 妹 younger sister. 堂兄堂弟堂姐堂妹 This is a child of your father's brother or sister. So it is 堂兄堂弟 And this one 表兄表弟表姐表妹 is for your mother's brother or sister's children. So if this is one of the old brother of my mom's brother, my uncle, and my uncle is my mother's brother. So his child, which is my brother, older brother, I call him 表兄or 表哥 Here, older brother, 哥哥 or 表哥 both okay. And again, in modern China, the 堂表 is not take that serious. You can just directly call him 弟弟姐姐妹妹哥哥 That's okay. And older sister 姐姐 Here, 表姐姐姐 Older brother 哥哥 Younger sister 妹妹 Younger brother 弟弟 Read after me 姐姐哥哥妹妹弟弟 And then grandson 外孙子 or 外孙 Both okay. 外孙子 Grandson 外孙子 Granddaughter 外孙女外孙女外孙女 And these two are your daughter's son or daughter. And here 孙女 son's daughter 孙女 There's no Y. In fact, Y means outside. Because in traditional China, there's a huge difference between woman and man when people are look at them. But nowadays, it's okay. Like, I have never heard Y 孙子 ever. So it's okay to call your daughter's daughter 孙女 It's okay. 孙女 It's okay. and grandson, your son's son, 孙子. So nowadays there's not much different because oh my gosh, that's your granddaughter. You're not going to like differ them. It's because they're a girl's daughter or something like that. So anyway, this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new expression and we have learned the different how people treat the order in their family and how the society change. Anyway, I hope you guys can do some review because there are so many new characters. And if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestions, just comment below. And don't forget to check the homework. Bye!